Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you my new Nerf gun that I got. First, think about what I got you. What I got. What I got. What's the line? But first, think of this. Think of the Nerf gun that I got from Christmas. Good. Okay, time's up. So, if you thought of it, when I show you, if you're right, let me try. Yeah. If you're wrong, I'm sorry. Like the other Nerf gun that I got, it's still here, but I need to get more darts. So, hope I don't lose these darts when I got this Nerf gun. But first, I want to show you something. What is that? Hi, that. That is the Sports Center. I'm not gonna play all 5 sports. I'm gonna tell all 5 sports. Sorry, I panic. Somebody's gonna come to my room. Me and my brother's room. So I'm gonna tell you the 5 sports: basketball, football, hockey, baseball, and soccer. That's all the 5 sports. All those sports are good. Thumbs up for all the sports. And now for the review of the Nerf gun. Somebody tell me what this is. I forgot to count down. 3, 2, 1. What is this? Tell me what this is. Okay. This is a Mega. This is a Mega Nerf gun. It has a name. I think it's the Psyquashina Hook. I don't understand the name. It's a pretty long name. If anyone type in the comments what is this name. Type in the comments what is this name. Cycloneskock. Somebody tell me what this name is in the comments. Now, so wait, they can't, because I don't know the name. So don't do that. Don't comment below. Don't type in that name. I need to figure out what that name is. So hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and hope you guys enjoyed this review of my new Nerf gun. If you did, make sure you slice that like button, and if you know that name, good for you. If you know that name of that Nerf gun, good for you. So press that like button, subscribe so you can see more videos, and I hope everyone has a good winter break and a happy new year.